This is my first time spinning cotton, and I bought cotton sliver so that it would be nice and easy and all prepared for me. I have to say it's a different kind of challenge to spinning wool. Mostly I've spun merino or merino blends. Cotton is really short, so you can't draw it out in the same way that you can merino. I think I've sort of found my groove with it. My plan is to spin it as thin as I can and then to make some sort of weaving project with it. What I'm hoping for is like a really nice baby blanket or something super soft and beautiful. So this is all Australian cotton, and it's going to take me about 100 years to spin as much as I want for a blanket, but we'll see how we go. It's going pretty well so far, and it's beautifully soft to spin, so I'm enjoying the process.